Hello everyone. Let's continue with the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes of class 9th. Today we will do some questions on volume of right circular cylinder. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, you all will be able to apply the formula for volume of right circular cylinder. Now, suppose this is a cylinder and it has the base radius as r units and its height is h units. Then if you see the base is circle and the area of circle is pi r square and area multiplied by height is always the volume. Volume means the capacity of holding something, right? So this just always remember volume means area of base of any container multiplied by the height with which it can hold something. So area into height is always volume. So we can say the volume of right circular cylinder. I hope you all remember why do we call it right circular because radius and height they are always perpendicular to each other. So the volume of right circular cylinder, I am writing it again. This is pi r square into h. That is area of the base multiplied by its height. Now in exercise 13.6 we will be using this formula. Question number 1. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter. The circumference, so let's write circumference is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. The height of this vessel is, let's height is equals to h is equals to 25 centimeter. How many liters? Now liters is a unit of volume. So we have to find out the volume of water can it hold, and they have written that 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. If you want to write this, please write in your notebook that 1000 centimeter cube makes 1 liter and 1000 liters make 1 kiloliter, and we sometimes say 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. You should remember all these conversions. Please write in your notebook so that later you can use it yourself, because in exam whenever the question will come they will never write this. So you should know why is it so. So please remember that 1000 centimeter cube makes 1 liter and 1000 liters make 1 kiloliter and 1 meter cube is equals to 1 kiloliter. Now we have to find out the volume of the cylinder. We had just done the formula for volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So first of all we have to find out the radius. So रेडियस को हम लोग r assume कर लेते हैं. This we don't know, and now we have to find out the volume. Volume we have to find in liters, right? So circumference, the formula for circumference of base of circle is always 2 pi r. Circumference is given as 132. This is equals to 2. Pi is 22 by 7 into r. Now what you can do, please hold this video, pause this video, sorry, then find the radius. Now if you find the radius is known to us, height is known to us, we can easily find the volume. So please try to do it further yourself. 132 will take all these on the left hand side equals to r. 22 6 are 132, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So radius is equals to 21 centimeter. I hope आप लोगों का भी यही आंसर आया होगा. Now radius is known to us. We'll find the volume. Now the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7. R square, that is square of 21. H is 25. This is given to us. So 22 by 7. Now instead of finding 21 square, just write 21 twice. It will make your calculation easy. So 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So 22 into 3 into 21 into 25 centimeter cube. This is equals to 34650 centimeter cube. Now 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. We have to find this answer. So in liters, if we have to find, we have to divide this by 1000 liters. So this is equals to 34.65 liters, right? So this is the answer. So therefore, the cylindrical vessel can hold 34.65 liters of water. Please write therefore statement also. Therefore, vessel can hold 34.65 liters of water. It's always a good practice to write the therefore statement. Now let's move to question number 2. This was the formula. Now question number 2. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter. The inner diameter, cylindrical pipe, I hope you are able to visualize this. Inner diameter is 24 centimeter. If the inner diameter is 24 centimeter, let's write what all are given. Inner diameter is equals to 24 centimeter. Therefore, inner radius को बेटा हम लोग small r से denote कर लेते हैं, right? So inner radius will be half of this. So this is equals to 12 centimeter. So that is from here to here, it is 12 centimeter. And its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. So outer diameter is equals to 28 centimeter. So therefore, outer radius को हम लोग कैपिटल R से डिनोट कर लेते हैं. It will be half of this. So that is 14 centimeter. So that is from here to the outer edge. This is 14 centimeter. Right. Now find the mass of the pipe. We have to find out the mass. If 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Now they have written that 1 centimeter cube of wood. This denotes that we have to find out the volume, because centimeter cube, unit cube, whatever area we always find in square units, and volume we always find in cubic units. So we have to find out the volume. So pipe की अगर हम लोगों ने वॉल्यूम निकालनी है तो इसके लिए हम लोग सिलेंडर की आउटर वॉल्यूम में से इनर वॉल्यूम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Let's write its height also. Length of the pipe, length अगर आप उसको horizontal रखोगे that is length, अगर उसको आप pipe को vertical रखोगे it's the height. So height is h is equals to 35 centimeter. So therefore volume of wood in pipe is equals to outer volume minus inner volume, right? So outer volume के लिए बेटा हम लोग outer radius use करेंगे. Inner के लिए we can write inner radius. So let's take common. Pi and h we can take common. So it is the formula. If you want to make your calculation more easy, what you can do, you can apply here the identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. There is no compulsion that you have to apply the identity. If you are comfortable, please apply the identity. It will make your calculations more easy. Now I am substituting the values. Capital R is 14, small r is 12. Capital R is 14, small r is 12. So this is equals to 22 by 7 into 35. 14 plus 12 is 26. 14 minus 12 is 2. So let's do the cancellation. 7 ones are 7. 7 fives are 35. Right. So 5 twos are 10. Into 22 into 26 will become 5720 centimeter cube. Now this is the volume of the wood in the pipe. We have to find out the mass. So therefore mass of wood in pipe, 1 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब का मास 0.6 ग्राम्स है, तो 5720 को कैसे हो निकालेंगे? 0.6 into 5720 grams, right? Now if we remove this decimal, we get 10 this. So on, let me erase equal to sign here. This is equals to 3432 grams. You can leave your answer in grams, and if you want to find the mass in kilograms, so you can divide it by 1000, right? This is not a necessary step. If you want, you can do it. So 3.432 kilogram, right? So therefore mass of wood in the pipe is 3.432 kilograms. Let's move to next question. Question number 3 is, a soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with a rectangular base, right, of length 5 centimeter and width 4 centimeter and having a height of 15 centimeter. So any guess what will be the shape of this rectangular base can? It will be a cuboid, right? So let's visualize. See, this is cuboid. You can see the length is 5 centimeter and its width is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter and its height is 15 centimeter. This is rectangular base can. So let's write it's a cuboid. ब्रैकेट में आपने लिखना, आप लिख सकते हो rectangular base can. Its length, let's write it capital L for this, it is 5 centimeter. Its breadth, let's take it as capital B, which is 4 centimeter, and its height is equals to, इसको capital H ले लेते हैं, it is 15 centimeter, right? चलिए अब आगे देखते हैं. Second container is a plastic cylinder. This is given to us that it's a cylinder with a circular base of diameter 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Let's visualize this also. See this. Its diameter is given as 7 centimeter. So its radius will become half of 7. So यहाँ पर radius is equals to r will be half of the diameter, that is 7/2 centimeter. इसको फ्रैक्शन में ही रहने देना, डेसिमल में करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि बाद में कैलकुलेशन के टाइम पे we have to remove the decimal, and this is 10 centimeter. So its height is 10 centimeter. Height equal to h equal to 10 centimeter. Now which container has greater capacity and by how much? So let's find the capacity in both the cases. सबसे पहले हम लोग निकालते हैं cuboid की. So its volume is volume of cuboid is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So length is 5, breadth is 4 and height is 15. 5 4s are 20, 20 into 15 is 300. So its volume is 300 centimeter cube. Now let's find the volume of cylinder. So its volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Pi is 22/7, r square, that is 7/2 into 7/2, and its height is 10. 7 and 7 they are cancelled out. 2 5s are 10 and 2 11s are. So we have 11 into 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 35 into 11 will be 385. Right? 385 centimeter cube. अब आप देखो किसकी वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है. Obviously this volume is greater. Since 385 is greater than 300, therefore volume of plastic cylinder is greater. And by how much? तो कैसे निकालेंगे? इन दोनों को कर देते हैं subtract. 385 minus 300 centimeter cube is equal to 85 centimeter cube, right? So you have to find the volume in both the cases, then you have to do the comparison. Now let's move to next question. These were the form. Okay, question number 4. If the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square, lateral surface का मतलब है we are talking about its curved surface area. Its curved surface area is 94.2 centimeter square and its height is 5 centimeter. Then find the radius of its base and its volume, and we have to use pi as 3.14 in both the parts. Now remember, what is the formula for curved surface area of cylinder? See, it is 2 pi RH. Let's write lateral surface area या curved surface area, जो भी आप लिखना चाहो आप लिख सकते हो. It is 94.2 centimeter square and its height, इसको हम लोग ले लेते हैं h is equals to 5 centimeter. We will use the formula for lateral surface area to find the radius, first part, right? Let's remove this. So lateral surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. This is 94.2. This is 2. The value of pi is 3.14. Right? अगर question में pi की value नहीं दी हुई, then use 22/7. But if it is given that you have to use pi is 3.14, then you must use it. Otherwise, teacher during the exam you may not get full marks for this because they have mentioned. So R we have to find out and H is 5. So let's transpose all these terms. This is 5 and this is R. If we remove this decimal, we get 100 here. If we remove this, we get this. Right, now let's do the cancellation part. 314 this, अगर आप इसको 3 से multiply करोगे, you get 942. This 0, they are cancelled out. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. This 2 and this 2, they are cancelled out. So we are left with 3 only. So therefore, R is equals to 3 centimeter. Calculation आप अपने आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है बेटे? Okay, now first part is done. We have to find out the volume. Now, the volume of cylinder we have to find out. Volume of cylinder का formula is pi r square h. Now let's substitute the value. Pi is 3.14. R हमने 3 निकाला है, so write it twice. And h is given as 5. Now let's multiply all these terms to get the volume. On multiplying these, we get 141.3 centimeter cube, right? Now the time for home assignment. After doing all these 4 questions yourself, try to do examples 13 and 14 of this chapter. These examples are just before exercise 13.6. Thanks for watching.